Newtonian concept. Ground distance versus displacement, total length of path. Strength, length, distance from start to end. Scalar quantity, no direction. Vector quantity with direction. Problem dependency. Search vessel given. Essential depth 200 meters. Horizontal moment 300 meters. Vertical descent 150 meters. Final depth 200 meters plus 150 meters squared. 350 meters. 50 meters below the surface. Speed, velocity, speed, scalar magnitude plus direction, unit is in ms. Acceleration. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. Object accelerate when speed increases.